We're trying to the moves, yeah. Like you see like these Rubik's Cube moves, it's like left down, right down, and right, yeah. Right, yeah. I'm gonna try and do it like that, right, yeah. But obviously, when I do left down, it's like gonna be like, oh, it'll be there. I can't do it. There. It looks better when the video is complete because it reverses it and you'll see, right? But I'll do the moves. Right? I'll put these not the top. I think you can do the top, can't they? Right, so I'm here now, yeah? I'm here now, yeah? So what I'll do is, like now, if I've got to put a thing in, I'm going to go like, is it like that? Like, that's down one, and that along there will be left one. So that's, I'm trying to do it in reverse, so that's down one, that's left one, that's right one, that's up one, yeah? And I'll tell you what I call them, yeah? So I'll do the thing left one, so you won't be able to see me do it, but I'll tell you that if you write them down, if you're interested in doing the cube the way that I do the cube, obviously if not, do it. But it's easy to do. If I give you the moves that I do, and I'll just say that's the corner piece move, or this is how you swap the corners round, etc. So this is going to be how to put the middle pieces in, right? Yeah. There's a bit of background noise talking about here. So what I'm going to do is, that's flush, yeah. So that's going to be moved away. That's going in here. So that's going to be moved away. So to put the middle piece in, you're going to need, right, I'll go right one, down one, left one, up one, right one, up one, left one, down one, and that's the middle piece. Yeah, edging, middle edge. Again, that's flush now. That's going in here. Yeah. To do that, it is you can't see it, but right one, down one, left one, up one, right one, up one, left one, down one, and that's in, right? That's a middle edge move, or whatever you want to call it, right? Second layer, middle. Second layer, middle. Yeah. Again, it's flush. It's going to go into there. Yeah. So it's this bit here, for that move, it is left one, down one, right one, up one, left one, up one, right one, down one, and it's in. This one I've got to take it out, but to take it out, it's the same move, just left one, down one, right one, up one, left one, up one, right one, down one, and it's out. Yeah? And now it's down there, yeah? It's down there to go in there. Yeah? This move is left one, down one, right one, up one, left one, up one, right one, down one, and they're all in. Yeah. So we'll call that second layer middles. Second layer middles. That's that. So that left one. That's how you do it. So depending on how flush it is, if it says that side, it'll go this way. You push it that way first, and if it's that side going in here, you push it that way first. Yeah. And if it's that way, going in there, you push it that way, away from it to start. Yeah. So now, these corners, those corners and those corners need swapping round, which is 2 moves. So this will be swap the corners around. How to swap the corners around? Swap the corners around, however you want to put it. And this will be, so I start from the left hand side of the cube. Left hand side. So yeah, as I'm looking at the cube, I start on the left hand side and I swap them around that way. Doesn't really matter which way, but this is the way. So to swap the corners around, so you put them in position. You put the corners in position. So that is which I haven't. So that's the orange. You put them in. So you put the blues together. Yeah? If you do the blues, so that one's got to go there, and that one's got to go there. Yeah. So you're looking at that. You're looking at this face. Yeah? And you go again. Left down. Left one down. Down one. Right one. Up one. Left one. Up one, right one, down one, left one. Now the corners are swapped. Again, the other, so I've done one side of the cube, and now I'm doing the other side of the cube. This is also, again, swap the corners around move. Right? So, this is left hand side down one, right one, up one, left one, up one, right one, down one, left one. And as it happens, they're all in the right, all the corners are in, yeah? This is the last move of the cube, this is a 2-piece move, yeah? And you start with the face. This is the final move of the cube. Let's just put it in for me. So you bring down the middle on the flush side, right? On the final move of the cube. Let's put it like that, yeah? Flush side down. Flush side down, right? So it's the middle piece is down one, yeah? Middle piece down. Left one. Middle piece up. Left 2, middle piece down, left 1, cube finished. But that's a 2-piece move, middle piece move. And if you can do that, you can do the cube.